everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's restaurant is the Ocean Beach located in White Rock, BC, Canada.
So we just got our drinks. These are mocktails, they're non-alcoholic drinks. This one is called the Alchemist. It's basically vanilla, hibiscus, mezcal, amaranthino, Eau Grade, lime juice, and egg whites.
You can say that again, bro.
And the other one is called Puerto Rican Blaster. It comes with Havana, grape, pineapple, and energy drink. So we're gonna try it and let you guys know how it tastes. Okay, so let me try the Puerto Rican Blaster. Oh, sugary. A little bit sour. Pineapple. Has a nice kind of decoration on the top. It's okay, it's pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna try the Alchemist. It has a different, unique taste. A little bit of the raspberry, and it's a little bit sour. It's very cold and chilled. Yeah, it's a unique taste, but I do like it. And I like both drinks so far. Okay guys, your turn.
My turn.
Wake up, you freak!
Oh, whoops, I got distracted, sorry. Woo! Woo! It's nice. It's very sweet and sour, and it's got that kick. It tastes so good, but in the beginning, when you first taste it, it's like pow. The flavor. All right, so let me try this one. The Alchemist. I consider myself an alchemist.
Don't waste some.
Good. Okay.
It tastes like lemonade.
Lemonade.
Pineapple or lemonade?
Lemonade.
I think there's so many flavors in there. Pineapple. I can see where she's getting the lemonade from.
Okay, so we just got our dishes here. The first dish is called the Crispy Honey Mustard Chicken Burger. It's buttermilk, marinated breast, fried, topped with white cheddar and baby lettuce, heirloom tomato, pickled onion, chipotle mayo on a brisio bun. And then we got the truffle fries with the ketchup. The second one is the garlic shrimp scampi. Wild prawns sauteed in garlic, confit, lemon, chilies, and comes with grilled costine. Last dish is street tacos. 3 flour tortillas, pasta chicken, chipotle mayo, shaved cabbage, pico de gallo, pickled onions, feta cheese. So we're gonna dig in. Let's try the garlic shrimp scampi first. It's nicely cut. Tastes fresh for sure. Fresh ocean shrimp. Let's try it with the sauce here. It's a little bit of oily sauce. It's pretty good for shrimp. It's just like a starter, I guess. Let's try the crostini bread here. Toasted, right?
It comes with it.
Yeah.
That's the bread.
Yeah. You can taste the char on the bread with the butter. A little bit crispy and crusty. It's good. It's not too hard. It's because it's thinly sliced. So I do like it with prawns. It's a good starter. Okay, Aiden, try it.
Waiting for it.
What do you think so far?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah. It tastes like it comes from the sea.
Okay, he's gonna try with the sauce. He's gonna try the sauce.
I'm a masterpiece cutter.
Okay, let's try it.
Try with this sauce, right? What do you think?
Okay, I'm gonna try their famous street tacos. Let's try it. Let's put some lime juice on it. Okay, as you can see, it's very has a lot of stuff in this, right?
Got some, what is it?
Look at all that. That's cilantro, pico de gallo, onion, chicken, cabbage. Let's try it out. This is what I do every time. It's quite messy, but it's worth it because it's pretty good. A lot of bold flavors. Very satisfying, for sure. Very satisfying. And let me try that. It comes with the pepper.
Ooh, how is that?
Yeah. I like spicy, so there you go. Okay, Aiden's gonna try the taco.
I'm used to spicy, so I can eat this.
Okay. What do you think?
It has a lot of flavor. I can't tell what's the flavor. The hot spicy pepper.
Okay, he's gonna try the pepper. Kids, don't try this at home.
It's not too spicy.
It's not too spicy, but it gives a little kick.
Let's try it now.
Your turn to
Is I was dreaming about a wall of tacos. I'm just
It's
imagining.
just one.
I can't wait to eat wall tacos. Thank you, and thank you so much. My heart. I have a trophy.
Trophy.
So I'm gonna try their crispy honey mustard chicken burger. Look at it first. He looks pretty tasty. Let's try it out. How's all that? Yeah, it's really good. Yeah. Yeah, this one is my favorite so far out of all three of the items. It's very crunchy on the outside, tender, moist, and white meat on the inside. Has a lot of flavor, a lot of textures. Wow. Yeah, there's no complaints on this burger for me. This is like 2 thumbs up. Try that chicken burger. What do you think?
It tastes like chicken nuggets everywhere.
Okay, try the truffle fries.
And put it with ketchup.
Try the truffle fries.
Look at this, guys. I have this real fry and this truffle fry. Which tastes better, guys? Leave the comments. Both of them taste better. You have to like our video. If you don't, then I'll be frustrated, guys. And subscribe too. Okay?
So Aiden, what do you rate this restaurant out of 10?
10 out of 10.
So no complaints with this guy. He says 10 out of 10.
I rate it 10 out of 10. Because the food was all good.
I give it 8.5 out of 10.
Interesting.
I mean, it's good and all. It's not like, wow, I just, so 8.5, it's a fair, I think it's a fair rating.
So my overall experience of this restaurant, in regards to the ambiance, the patio was the best feature because it had a beachfront view. The waitress was tentative to our needs, the pricing was decent, and the food was satisfying. So all in all, I would rate this restaurant 9 out of 10. Until next time, be kind, love life, and eat good.